Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I will be showing you how to remove stains from your bed sheet. This stain here is from a leak. No, it's not that kind of leak. A leak from my hot water bottle. Here's the evidence. I got woken up about 3 a.m. to damp sheets. I didn't know what was happening until I saw the hole in my hot water bottle. Anyway, today I will be showing you how to remove this by using baking soda. A cheap and easy method to use, very effective at getting stains out of almost anything. It's gentle as well, so you won't damage your fabrics. So, okay, I'm going to add about this amount here to the wash drum, and I'm going to also add Ariel powder, about 70 ml. Again, I'm going to add that to the wash drum directly in there. And okay, I'm now going to pop my load into the wash machine. And this is the sheet with the stain on going in. Hopefully that will come out in the wash still clean. I'm going to add comfort conditioner to the dispenser for added comfort. Gives my sheets a nice fresh smell. And I'm going to set this to 40 degrees cotton wash. Okay, all done. All gone. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful in any way, please leave a like and click on that notification bell, as I'm having another video coming out soon. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.